Basketball is a sport of great athleticism, but yet contains many aspects of the world of physics. In this video, we will be presenting you with some of those concepts of physics. The first concept we will cover is momentum. Here we can see momentum being transferred from one player to the other. The player with the ball has a larger momentum than the player without the ball, since he has a larger mass and a higher velocity. This causes the player without the ball, when hit, to fall in the direction of the oncoming momentum. Momentum can be calculated by the equation P equals mass times velocity. Here we can see the law of inertia, which is objects in motion remain in motion if no unbalanced forces act on them. In this case, the ball is the object in motion moving at a uniform speed and is acted on by an external force, as you can see the backboard, which changes its state of motion. Another concept of physics that we see in basketball is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate at which velocity is changing. The player here uses acceleration to chase after the ball in a positive direction. The acceleration can be calculated by the equation A equals v over t, which is velocity divided by time. We can also see the projectile motion through the jump shot of a basketball player. A projectile is any object that moves through air or space, acted on by gravity. The projectile in basketball would be represented by the ball. The ball, when shot, travels in a parabolic motion. When the ball is projected upward, the vertical distance of travel decreases with time on its upward path, and is acted on by gravity pushing downward. The parabolic motion of travel by the ball is aimed to land inside the basket for a score of 2 or 3 points.
Y'all ready for this?